How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can integrate or install Xbox Game Pass on Playnite. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's say that you guys had games tied to your Xbox account, or rather your Microsoft account, and you want to add them to Playnite so you could actually get to play them. So to actually do it is quite simple, and there's a guide provided by Playnite themselves on how you can actually do this. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open Playnite normally, and then you want to navigate to the top left corner of your screen, and there you should see a window, or rather a path that you get to follow. So it's this path right here. You want to go to the main menu, add a game, and you want to browse your PC till you find the Microsoft Store application. Now, the once you've done this, the next thing that'll happen is Playnite will actually scan all of your drives, so uh, all of your storage devices, and it will scan it for all games that are tied to Xbox Pass or Microsoft, I should say, and you would have the option to actually add them to your games library on Playnite. So once the list is up and it's generated the list of games on your PC, you want to select which ones you want to add, and all you have to do is simply import them and press add games, and that's it. So that's how you actually get to add Xbox Game Pass games or Microsoft games to Playnite. So if this guide worked for you guys, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you want to show or support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.